Hey everybody, just want to invite you to my channel. I'm going to start over. Hey everybody, Gary Tate, my brother Brian Lee. Today we're going to go over some prearranged sparring, or what we like to call in our system self-defense. All it is prearranged movements set up as an offense and a defense, and we're going to break it down, kind of go over what we're doing step by step, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Today we're going to bring you step one self-defense, or prearranged sparring. It's just a prearranged movement set up of an attack, where offense and a defense. Practice both sides. My brother Brian Lee here is going to help me. He's going to start off by attacking, I'll be defending, and then we will do vice versa. I'll attack and he will defend. The first thing we're going to do is take our fighting stances. We bow to each other out of respect and training, and we take our traditional fighting horse stance, all right? From here, the first attack that we practice is that overhand right, or that street punch, right? That right hand right to the face. So he's going to load up, he throws that right to the line of that jaw. All right, I'm going to utilize an upper block. To block, I absorb by shifting my weight into my back leg. That also sets up the reverse punch. So from here, I'm going to step, rotate, and as he pulls that back, I'm going to deliver that strike to the body. All right, again, from there, he's going to throw a roundhouse to my midsection. So the second one is he's going to adjust. I see him adjusting to throw the kick. I'm going to just simply fade out of the way. I don't move my feet, I'm just fading. If I didn't fade, that kick would hit me right in the midsection. So as he throws the kick, I fade, and I just pass that through. I'm not pushing it down, I'm just guiding it through past. I trap that hand, pull it towards me, and deliver that ridge hand to the back of the head. So we put those two together, overhand right, block, punch, roundhouse, grab, ridge hand. The third step, he's going to throw a reverse punch to the body. I fade, I parry that through, and then I'm going to deliver a lunge punch to the solar plex, rotate over and deliver a reverse punch. Again, overhand right, roundhouse, reverse punch. Now, fourth one, he's going to throw a side kick to the body. Do that same fade, and I pass that through with the palm of my hand in that forearm. As I pass that through, notice he'll set that foot right behind. I shift over, grab with the back hand, pull that in, ridge hand to the front. He does it for a second time. Pass that through, trap, ridge hand. This time I'm going to add a takedown to it. So as I break his structure with the ridge hand to the jaw, grab, boot to boot, foot sweep, follow up, disengage. Now we're going to do it in real time. He'll attack all 5 steps, and I will defend all 5 steps. We're going to put them together. So now we're going to do step 2. Step 2 is just doubling everything up from the previous one we did in step 1. He's going to throw 2 attacks to everything, okay? So we bow to each other. First thing he's going to do is throw overhand right, followed by an overhand left. A block with 2, return left, right. He throws double roundhouse. He's going to throw it low, high. I X block to block my groin and my head. I'm also shifting away from the kick. So he throws low, high, trap, pull it in, roundhouse, ridge hand. He throws to the body with the reverse punch, 1, lunge punch, I shift, back kick, side kick. He attacks side kick, back kick. I shoot a quick side kick, upset punch, ridge hand. He'll do that same attack, and now I'm just going to add takedown, side kick, upset punch, ridge hand. Now, instead of that boot to boot, I'm going to the back of his ankle. And I'm going to keep that 1, 2. Now we'll do it again in real time. when we're doing these self-defense, we practice both offense and defense. And the importance is that we develop timing, accuracy, and speed and power. This is a great way to develop sensitivity to certain techniques. Like if he throws that overhand right, that block and counter is a perfect development. So thank you again.